Okay, so how we're gonna install pyttsx3, and yeah, let's just start. So in order to download this, it's on the description. So this is the official on the py.org, so you can see the project there itself. And in order to install this, you see this, copy this and paste it, something like that. Very straightforward, nothing over complicated. And so I got this error. So what is this? Pip external. You know what, let me see. Pip. Okay, so let me just in terminal. So I'm using Laragon on my environment. So pip. So you know what, let me copy this one more time and something like that. So that's how easy you can install this thing. Okay, so the installation is done because I already installed this thing. And yeah, so if you're gonna want to learn text to speech, I think this is powerful if you combine this on Wikipedia API or something like that. So I'm gonna make a short tutorial on this. Like, this is the entire thing anyway. So this is very short anyway. You know what? See you next video.